Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing.
Bruh.
Oh my God. So I made a mistake. I was supposed to do an unboxing video, and as a YouTuber, sometimes SD cards get encrypted or whatever that thing is, where when you put it into the computer, it did not register anything. It says error, and there is nothing you can do about it. I have tried to use disk recovery or all this other stuff, and I did an entire video with an unboxing video that did not get recorded, and I'm absolutely aggravated. But I gotta tell you, this is a great bike. I'm gonna grab it for you real quick. I absolutely hate that I wasn't able to show you this stuff. When I film with two cameras. One is you right now that you're looking at, and also my glasses. So I have all the glasses footage from my Meta glasses. But let me walk you through a few things, and then let's take it for a ride. I'm super sorry about this, guys, but I think I have enough footage of between this and the other thing to just show you how to put this together. So come on, let's look at it. So the front end, I want to talk to Aipas. The front fender was twisted, and it's not even summer yet, so I don't know how many sold of these. This might be their newest thing. This is the C2 Max. I don't know the size motor because they don't put it on there on the website. It is a 1,000-watt peak, which I'm thinking maybe it's a 500. It looks kind of small, and it has an 18 amp hour battery, which should get you right around 35 to 40 miles to a charge. I gotta tell you, I absolutely love this bike. It's $850. There is some cheap stuff on here, and they put some nice stuff on here and put a beautiful paint job on it. Their paint jobs are beautiful. It does come with quick disconnect, so you can take the tire off, you can take the battery out, you can take the keys and unlock it and take the battery out of it and charge it in your home, or you could charge it on the bike. It has a little lever right here too. One thing I do want you to do when you do get your bike, there is a VIN number right here. If you're a technology person, put that in your notes, write that down and put that somewhere, because if this bike ever gets stolen, if you do not have this right here, if they find a bike like this, that it's yours. Make sure it's on the side here. Make sure that you put that on there. I've had, I think, 6 or 7 bikes stolen from me, and I found out that they can't help you. They can take their police report, but they're not going to help you if you don't have that VIN number there. So write that down. Very simple to put together. Front tire, headlight, fender. You do have to put the handlebars on. Handlebars are adjustable. They move back this way. This is absolutely beautiful. Make sure you tighten that nut. There's a nut right down, or a bolt that's right there. Give it a good tighten so this doesn't move on you. Very inexpensive LCD screen, but efficient. Cable brakes, which is I think hydraulic brakes for an e-bike that can go 25 miles per hour. I don't think we should put cable brakes on a bike like that, and that's just my opinion. Inexpensive shifter, but again, efficient. 7 gears. I really like this bike. I'm telling you, if I didn't like the bike, I would freaking tell you. There is cheap stuff on here. The stuff's plastic. There's some damage on the front fender. The packaging was kind of poor. Very comfortable seat. It does come with a rear rack. This actually was twisted, and we had to force that nut to go in, that bolt to go in. But yeah, let's take it for a spin and let's do our final thoughts. Alrighty. Let's see, power button. It's nice and bright. It's fully charged. I'm really proud of them for that. Now when it's on 0, there's nothing. And if you have pedal assist 1 on, it's still nothing when you hold your brakes. I just want you to be aware of that. So let's go. Just giving a little bit of gas. What's up, bud? That's my buddy John. All right, I'm just get this over to pedal assist, or not pedal assist. I'm gonna get this to the gear 7. That's usually where I keep it. Let's make sure everything's okay. All right, let's go. Yeah, it feels good. I think I could raise the handlebars a little bit more because I'm leaning forward. If that's comfortable for you, that should be just fine. Ooh. So right now, we're at 15 miles per hour. I'm gonna put it on pedal assist 2, nothing. Pedal assist 3, here we go. 1 and 2, I didn't really feel any change. So now we're at 15 miles per hour. Before we were right around, I guess, that 8 mile per hour mark. Let me see how well it is. All right, very straight. Come on. It's a little bit wobbly. It's not terrible. It's not bad. All right, let's see what 4. Here we go.
Now we're getting some speed. Going 18 miles per hour. And we're going up a hill a little bit. All right, let's see what 5 is. All right, 5 is definitely ghost pedaling. I'm not really feeling a lot of pressure on the foot pegs, and it's about 20 miles per hour. I'm pretty flat right now, so 20 is kind of the top speed. I really don't have any complaints with this bike. Ghost pedaling at 5. These bikes, e-bikes, need to have 8 gears or 9 gears.
Okay, I absolutely love this bike. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It is a $850 bike with a 18 amp hour battery, which is very, very impressive. I absolutely like it. I 100% approve it. I'm curious if you have any issues with it. Apex, if you want to do this for a living and create a great company, have great customer service. If you look at any one of my comments, every one of them is that they won't help me with this, they won't answer their phone on that, or won't answer your emails, or blah blah blah. Dude, take customer service, have the best customer service, and you will have a name that's always out there, that you'll be here for a long time. There's a lot of e-bike companies that have sent me stuff, and then they send me a thing in the mail saying they're going bankrupt so they don't have to pay me. So I just want you to realize, have great customer service, make great products like this, and you're going to be around for a while. I really like this bike, and if you like this bike, I'll put it in the description below. Thanks guys for watching. Sorry that this one's a little bit kind of an odd one. I don't know how to fix that, but I got new SIM card. They're in right now, and things just happen when you are a YouTuber. So appreciate you guys, love y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.